Imagine pouring a refreshing glass of water from your refrigerator dispenser, only to be met with a strange, chemical taste instead of clean crispness. Have you ever wondered why that happens? If your refrigerator water tastes chemical, the most common culprits are usually a clogged or expired water filter, new plumbing connections, or internal components leaching flavor into the water. The primary reason often lies with the water filter itself. These filters contain activated carbon designed to absorb impurities like chlorine, sediment, and other organic compounds that affect taste and odor. Over time, the carbon becomes saturated and can no longer effectively remove these substances. In fact, an old filter might even start releasing trapped contaminants back into your water, creating that unpleasant chemical flavor. Another factor can be recent plumbing work, where new plastic pipes might releases a faint taste into the water as they break in. To address this issue, start by replacing your water filter with a fresh one. This is the simplest and most frequent solution. After installing the new filter, you will need to flush the system by dispensing several gallons of water. This process removes air from the lines and flushes any loose carbon particles from the new filter. You should also ensure no strong-smelling foods or chemicals are stored near the water reservoir or ice maker inside your refrigerator, as plastic components can sometimes absorb these odors. A less common but important detail to remember is that some newer refrigerators use PEX plastic tubing, which occasionally can impart a rubbery or chemical taste initially. This usually fades after several weeks of use and regular flushing. If the taste persists even after replacing the filter and flushing, check the installation of the filter to ensure it is seated correctly, and consider a professional inspection of your refrigerator's water line and ice maker components. By proactively changing your water filter and understanding potential causes, you ensure each glass of water from your refrigerator is pure and refreshing. Regular maintenance keeps your appliance performing at its best and guarantees clean, great-tasting water for you and your family.